Mastering fractions, from pizza to numbers. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to another exciting journey into the fascinating world of English. Today, we're going to dig into a critical part of the numerical landscape: fractions. Are you ready to slice up the pie of knowledge? Let's get started. A fraction, in simple terms, is a way of expressing a quantity that is less than a whole or between whole numbers. Think of a pizza. If we cut it into 4 equal parts and take just one slice, we've taken a fraction of the pizza. In mathematical terms, we'd say we have 1/4 of the pizza. Fractions are written with two numbers separated by a forward slash. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So, in our pizza example, we have 1 slice out of 4, so we write it as 1/4. Fractions come in different types. There are proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. A proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. For instance, 1/4, 3/7, and 2/3 are all proper fractions. An improper fraction has a numerator that is equal to or larger than the denominator, like 4/4, 5/2, or 7/3. Finally, a mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 1/4, that's 1 1/4, or 3 2/5, 3 2/5. Fractions are incredibly useful in daily life. They're used in cooking, like 1/2 teaspoon of salt, shopping, like buying 1.5 yards of fabric, measuring, like running 0.75 miles, and much more. Understanding fractions can help you make sense of many everyday situations and tasks. And that's a wrap on fractions. I hope you've enjoyed today's journey from pizzas to fractions. Remember, fractions are just a way of representing parts of a whole. The top number, numerator, tells us how many parts we have, and the bottom number, denominator, tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Keep practicing, and you'll become a fraction master in no time. Thank you for tuning in and keep exploring the wonders of English language learning. See you in our next video.